So hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube. In this video we're going to see how long it takes for my Coleman butane grill to boil water. This can come in handy when you are out in the woods hiking and there is a water source available and you need to clean that water for different purposes. Maybe you need to clean it to drink water because you've run out. So stay tuned and you can see how long it takes. So we're going to see how long it takes for the Coleman butane stove to boil this water. Just put the water in 16 ounces. And now
leave it high. Leave it high.
And so next, we're going to see how long it takes.
You're going to have to pour it. You're going to pour the whole egg side.
Seeing some little bubbles at the bottom.
You want to put some more water? This is the other water. No?
Got more bubbles going. We're at 1 minute and 21 seconds. We're at North Bend Campground. Beautiful view. There's my tent. There's a little beach area. Getting more bubbles now. We're at 2 minutes and 6 seconds. So usually this would be for if you need to clean some water out, but we are using it to make instant cappuccino. All right, we're almost there because we're getting the steam, as you can see. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. We're at 3 minutes and 27 seconds. So basically we're at a full, we're not at a rolling boil point, but we're basically done, and it's 4 minutes and 19 seconds. Again, this is the Coleman butane stove instant starter. Got it from Walmart for about $19.50. Comes with a carrying case. Alright folks, there you go. Full boil, 4 minutes, 43 seconds.